Difference and deference. Difference and deference. Both the words sound pretty much similar, but they have differences in spelling and meaning. First is difference, D-I. Difference. Difference means unlike, or you can say dissimilar. Unlike or dissimilar. What is the difference between mango and jackfruit? You understand? Difference, difference, contrast, dissimilar or unlike. And deference, deference, DE. Deference means respect. If you show deference to others, they will respect you back. Deference, respect. Again, difference, contrast, dissimilar, unlike, deference, respect. Assalamu alaikum.